At ReAgent, we have recently commissioned a brand new, bespoke 20,000 litre HDPE mixing vessel. Customised to our individual requirements, this tank is designed to fill 20 IBCs, which fit into one shipping container. This makes the process quicker and more efficient for our customers. Its bespoke frame means we can mount the vessel onto load cells for easy dosing of materials. This new tank is fully automated, and the programmable logic controls allow us to remotely and accurately dose materials into the blend, check the weight, and pack the final product into different sized containers, including small packs, 200-litre drums, and IBCs. An automated cleaning process is also built into the controls. Specialised mixing equipment can be fitted onto the tank, so we are able to add both liquids and powders into the blend. This means we can blend many different types of chemicals, including hazardous and corrosive materials, as the tank is made of HDPE. This additional mixing vessel increases our capacity of these types of chemicals, which enables us to manufacture chemicals more quickly for our customers. If you need a chemical manufacturing company to handle your chemical mixing requirements, contact ReAgent today